Demystifying the Mikoyan MiG-29, a closer look at Russia's iconic fighter jet. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of military aviation with a detailed exploration of the Mikoyan MiG-29, one of Russia's most iconic fighter jets. In this video, we unravel the history, capabilities, and design features that make the MiG-29 a true marvel of engineering and a formidable force in the skies. From its inception during the Cold War era to its modern-day advancements, we trace the evolution of the MiG-29 and its role in shaping international military conflicts. Discover the power and agility of this legendary aircraft as we break down its cutting-edge technology and unparalleled performance capabilities. Featuring exclusive interviews with aviation experts and stunning footage of the MiG-29 in action, this video offers a comprehensive look at the sheer brilliance of this aircraft. Whether you're an aviation enthusiast or simply intrigued by the world of fighter jets, this video is sure to leave you in awe of the Mikoyan MiG-29's legacy and ongoing impact in the global aerospace industry. Don't miss out on this thrilling journey through the skies as we uncover the secrets behind the Mikoyan MiG-29, a true icon of Russian military aviation prowess. The Mikoyan MiG-29-20 is not a well-known aircraft model. The MiG-29 is a popular Russian fighter aircraft designed by the Mikoyan Design Bureau. The MiG-29 is a twin-engine, fourth-generation jet fighter designed for air superiority in combat missions. It has a top speed of about 1,500 miles per hour and a range of over 1,000 miles. The aircraft is equipped with advanced avionics, radar systems, and weapons capabilities, making it a versatile and agile fighter in both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. The MiG-29 is known for its maneuverability, high thrust-to-weight ratio, and impressive rate of climb. It is equipped with a variety of missiles, cannons, and bombs to target enemy aircraft and ground targets. The aircraft has been in service with various air forces around the world since the 1980s and has seen combat in several conflicts. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on military hardware, aviation history, and the latest developments in the world of defense technology. Prepare for takeoff and let's soar into the world of the Mikoyan MiG-29 together.